Hello, welcome back everyone, Mitchu's back and now we're gonna talk about BLIXIA. So on the last devlog did I talk and did show the new damage for the game, example like floating text. And then I got a suggest on the YouTube comment that you can see here. So yeah, that was a good idea. So I did make that example. Now when we are making a critical hit, like bam, it's gonna have a different color. And now we only have a shaking effect, example when we make a critical hit. So yeah, I feel like this is really good, and thanks for that. I'm really happy that you did suggest that. So small thing makes a big difference. So yeah, if any people love to share and suggest something, just comment. I love that. I'm trying to improve the combat so much I want. Sometimes you make a decision and you think it's awesome, but then you realize it's not that really good. So I have been sitting and writing a lot of new codes that I feels like some codes are useless, some codes maybe should not be in the same like function like the others. I have been separate some codes and change some codes, so it's gonna be a little bit easier for me in the future, adding example for the quest system, dialogue system. I have made a separate. Right now did I have dialogue and quest system together, so that was not really good. So I can work, if I want to improve the quest system, it's gonna be much easier now than the before with the dialogue system. So I have been separate them. It didn't took so long, maybe 1-2 days something, so it's not many hours, but yeah, taking decision are not easy, but sometimes I need to do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about the level design. First can I say about the BLIXIA, I have reworked the starting area, and that's why I want to talk about the level design. Maybe we could make a more focused video on the level design later, not maybe on BLIXIA, just overall. You can comment if you would like to hear something about level design. This is the thing, I'm not a professional level designer, and I have been reading online on the big companies what they are saying about level design. They are really great books, and it's many good descriptions on small detail how to make level design. The thing is, like, when I did start making the starting area, I did know it's gonna be a small village. But the big difference about level design is like how to interact with the player. And interact with the player are quite important. It's really important. So I did start and feels like it's gonna be a village. I know that in BLIXIA. And then I started to think, what kind of village? It's gonna be more like a poor village. So then I started to look on the starting area have been designed. We got, example, a big platform. And that platform looks like it's gonna be a big rich town. And yeah, so you understand, level design need to be like, when we are focused on something, we need to have it more detail on that level. So example, this village I gonna redesign and make it looks a little bit more poor, so the player that's gonna play understand, okay, we're starting in a poor village. Yeah, that's something very interesting about level design. It's very important to write down, example, using a mind planner to really make some small details. Don't need to be really detailed, just writing down a little bit about the level, how it's gonna be. Example, right now I have been writing some simple village and what the name of the village and what the village gonna be about. Example, starting area, it's gonna be a little bit poor, maybe it's not gonna be any animals there. Yeah, you understand. So yeah, level design is really important to show. It's a little bit like a book. when you're open the book and reading, it's gonna make the reader to understand what's happening in the story. So level design are very interesting, and yeah, I have been reading a lot lately about level design, so that's why I did this. I need to change a little bit my Oraski map and the starting area. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk about the level design. Maybe in the future we can make more focused video on level design, sit and yeah, talking about, maybe look on other games how they done. You can comment if that will be interesting. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that. This was not really a devlog, but that you see, I have been made the damage, changed the quest and dialogue system and some little bit other codes. Then I have been work with the starting area and some different area around that. So yeah, this was a little bit more like a random talk that many times I've done, but yeah, if you liked it, if you like this, remember to subscribe, like and comment. And remember, I got my support page, so you can click there if you want to support the content and BLIXIA game I'm working on. And yeah, thanks. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, see ya next time.